Morning student, today we will read chapter 6, that is solids, liquid and gases. The main points of this chapter are: first, states of matter, solid, liquid and gases. Second, solution. Third, soluble and insoluble substances. Fourth, separation of liquid from solids. Fifth, separation of soluble solids. Sixth, air. And seventh, air rises up on heating. At first, we know what is matter. Matter, anything that has mass and occupies space, is called matter. On the basis of the arrangement of particles, matter are of three types: solid, liquid and gas. At first we discuss solid. In solid, all particles are closed packed. It have a fixed shape and definite volume. For example, table, chair, etc. Liquid. In liquid, the molecules are loosely packed so they can move about freely. It have a definite volume but do not have a definite shape. It take the shape of the container in which they are kept. For example, milk, oil, water, etc. Third, gases. In gases, the particles are very loosely packed so they can move freely. It do not have fixed shape or volume. For example, air, cooking gas, etc. Now we will discuss solution. Solution are formed by dissolving solute into solvent. Solute and solvent are the two substances that make a solution. For example, when sugar is dissolved in water, we get sugar solution. Now we will discuss soluble and insoluble substances. Some substances dissolve in a solid. They are known as soluble substances. For example, sugar, salt. The substances that do not dissolve in a liquid are called insoluble substances. For example, chalk powder, sand, soil, oil, etc. Now we will discuss separation of liquid from solids. There are two methods. They are sedimentation and decantation, and second is filtration. In sedimentation is the process of settling down of insoluble solid at the bottom of a container. Filtration. In filtration, we can remove insoluble solids from liquid by passing the solution through a filter like thin cloth, strainer or filter paper. Now, separation of soluble solids. Boiling and distillation are the two methods of separation of soluble solids. Boiling. Soluble impurities such as salt or sugar can be separated by the process of boiling. To separate salt from its solution, we take salt solution in a container and heat it till the water evaporates, leaving behind salt. In distillation, by distillation method, we can separate the soluble impurities. Pure water collected by distillation method. Air. Air is The mixture of many gases, for example, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, etc. Air has weight and it occupies space. Air has no color, it expands also. Air is necessary for burning, it is needed for breathing also. Now the last point, that is air rises on heating. Air rises on heating. When air gets heated by sun, it rises up because warm air is lighter than cool air. Ventilators work on the principle of hot air expanding and rising up. Warm air escapes through ventilators and cool and fresh air rushes through window in the room. In this way, exchange of air takes place which keep the room fresh. So, student, read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you.